Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Godot 3.3 on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will enable Linux apps on our device. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the Advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the Developers section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal, which will install Godot. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will update our Linux apps repositories. Now we will install Flatpak with the second command. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Now we will enable the official FlatHub repository on our Chromebook. With the last command, we will install Godot. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Press Enter again. Godot is now installed on your Chromebook. Let's launch it. Enjoy Godot 3.3.